Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 19th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the Euro Yen, I mean, to me, it still looks like it could make this AB, and this could be like a WXY of B. Now, the whole thing is it definitely made a very impulsive move down, and you could very easily look at that and say, oh, that's the top of a wave B. It's going to go all the way down now. But has the market given you any proof of that? No break of struts are down, no significant lower high, no reason to say that possibly it's not going to go all the way back up and make new highs. We can come up with our analysis all we want, but we need to allow the market to prove us correct or prove us wrong. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, yes, that is a strong move down, but the only thing we know for sure is that this wave from here to here is over. There is definitely a chance that this is just a pullback and it just keeps on going up. I would need to see a very significant lower high on the 4 hour, or I would need to see a break of structure down on the 4 hour to believe that this is the end of a pullback, the end of a wave B on the higher time frames. So technically, I would definitely still be recommending longs, but I would also be keeping an eye out for those two things that would possibly tell me that this pullback is over. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.